Yep, there you go, making some noise. As you can see, my friends, I'm an expert at doing this. Wow. G'day my friends, how are we all going today? Hey, something a bit different for you today. Look what I brought. I brought one of these cheap drones online. It's supposed to have a camera and everything on it. I've never ever flown a drone before. They say even the little kids can fly these things. So let's see if Pete can actually fly the thing. I reckon I'm going to crash it. But anyway, we'll see if I can get it up in the air and get it down without smashing it into anything. Same as usual, guys. If you like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say g'day in the comments below. If you've got one of these drones, put it in the comments below, eh? So apparently you open your remote control and then you put your cell phone in it. Whoops, what did I do there? Hit some button. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Let me do that. If I can't even do that, what hope have I got of flying it, guys? Doesn't seem to fit. Oh yeah, it does fit. Right, so what we've got to do, it says, is we've got to connect the drone to my Wi-Fi. Hit Wi-Fi. Now it's looking for the drone, but I forgot to turn the drone on, so it's probably not going to find it, is it? Hold the drone up like so. Turn them on. Start to flash. Yep, there you go, making some noise. All right, so we'll put them back down. As you can see, my friends, I'm an expert at doing this. Oh, look at that, we've just found our HP GPS 5G drone. So if we click on him, it says connected without the internet. I don't know what the hell that means. Anyway, so we go back and then it says we have to start the app that I downloaded. So now I've got to find the app. I think it's this one here. See that, guys? It's telling me here it's loading data. I don't know if you can see that or not. Start flight. Oh look, we've got a picture of the grass there. Calibrate it first, I think it said. No, we don't. We need to turn the remote on. Oh dear, this is going to get really, really bad. So it says we've got 15 satellites, GPS is on. So I don't actually know what that means. So if we calibrate the drone, successful, set the GPS. Horizontal alignment, which means from what I've seen online, guys, you've got to go around 2 or 3 times till it beeps. I think it beeped. And then we've got to go this way a couple of times. Hopefully it'll beep. Yep, beeps again. So here goes nothing. Let's try and take off. Cool. Wow, certainly different toys than what I had when I was little. Anyway, let's see if I can get the hang of it first a little bit, guys. Wow. Is that cool or is that cool? So now let's go higher. Hello! Wow, is that cool or is that cool? So if we'll go any higher, guys. Let's straighten out that camera a little bit first. There we go, guys. We are 40 meters high according to my remote. Now if we turn it around, here we go. Woohoo! Let's take it back. Is that cool or is that cool, guys? I reckon that's awesome, eh? Wow. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Yeah. So guys, that was awesome, eh? Actually looking right into the drone right now. I'm almost got the hang of flying it. $125 drone. I'm really impressed with that, guys. Better go and land it and go home. Thanks for watching. Bye.